Bro, stop right now, because I am about to show you something that is going to completely destroy everything you thought you knew about building muscle. There are guys who spent decades locked in a tiny prison cell. No gym, no dumbbells, no protein shakes, no equipment, absolutely nothing. And they built physiques that would embarrass most serious gym goers. How is that even possible? I asked myself that same question, and I went and found the answer. It comes down to three specific movements, three exercises used by the most legendary names in history: Charles Bronson, Mike Tyson, and a man who was told he had 5 years to live. And today, every single one of them belongs to you. Stay with me until exercise 3, because that one will hit you somewhere you have never felt before. I promise you that. Let us build. Exercise 1, the Mike Tyson card, squat. Mike Tyson, the most feared man on the planet, built legs like tree trunks inside a prison cell with zero equipment, and he did it with a deck of playing cards. How to do it? Take 10 cards and lay them in a straight line on the floor. Squat down. Pick up the first card. Place it on the second one. Stand back up. That is one squat. Go back down. Grab the third card. Stack it. Stand up. Now you have done 2 squats. Keep going. Every card you add means more squats, more reps, more burn. Sounds easy, right? Try it. Halfway through, your legs will be shaking. Your lungs will be screaming. The psychology behind it. When you normally do squats, that number in your head is exactly what makes you quit. 20 reps feels like forever. But with the card system, you are only thinking about the next card. By the time all 10 cards are stacked, you have already done 100 squats without even realizing it. Quads, hamstrings, glutes, calves, everything in your legs firing at once. Your weekly plan: 2 to 3 times a week. Start with 10 cards. When it gets easy, move to 15 cards. That is 225 squats in one single session. Your legs will never be the same again. Exercise 2, the Hello Dolly. Now, I know what you are thinking. That name sounds absolutely ridiculous. But stay with me, because this is the one that is going to completely redefine your core. A man named Cosmart was told by his doctor that his blood pressure and cholesterol were so bad, he would likely have a fatal heart attack within 5 years. 5 years. That scared him to his core, so locked in his tiny cell with nothing around him. He invented this movement. How to do it: lie flat on your back. Slide your hands under your tailbone, palms down. Lift your feet a few inches off the floor at a 45-degree angle. Now open your legs out to the sides and bring them back in. Open and close. Open and close. Go for 30 reps. You will feel it before you hit 10. Why this is so brutal? Every other core exercise has something helping you. The floor supports you. A machine supports you. Here, nothing supports you. Your entire midsection, your six-pack muscles, your deep core, your obliques, your lower back, all of it firing constantly just to stop you from tipping over. Then your legs open, and your hip flexors, inner thighs, and quads all join in at the same time. No gym machine on earth does this. Your weekly plan: 3 times a week, 4 sets of 30 reps, under 10 minutes total. And when it gets easy, pause for 1 second when your legs are open. Same reps, double the pain. Exercise 3. The Bronson handstand, push-up. Charles Bronson, Britain's most notorious prisoner, spent over 5 decades locked in solitary confinement, and somehow broke multiple strength and fitness records inside those 4 walls. His secret weapon? This movement right here. How to do it: get into a handstand against a wall, hands flat on the floor, Feet resting on the wall behind you, body completely upside down. Now slowly bend your arms and lower your head toward the floor. Then drive yourself back up. That is it. That is the movement. Why it is incredible. Think about a normal shoulder press. You are pushing weight up from below. Now flip that completely. You are upside down pushing from the top. Same idea, but it hits your shoulders, triceps, and upper chest in a way a normal press simply cannot replicate. And here is the best part. Your core is working every single second just to keep you stable. You are not doing a single crunch, but your abs are on fire the entire time. One movement, shoulders, triceps, upper chest, core, everything covered. Your weekly plan, 3 times a week, 4 sets, 5 to 10 reps. That is your entire upper body sorted.